Twisted Big D here, checking out the Pilot Flying J app. This is the home screen. You have start mobile fueling. It tells you how many pumps are available. You also got the reserve showers. There's one guest in line. If you click that, you can reserve your shower. It'll pop up with a number on it with your shower number and the pin. You can also reserve parking down here. There's 23 spots available here. You can see saved offers. If we scroll down, it has my points, how many points I have. It tells me that I have one saved offer, and it says that I have active shower power. Also, I have 2.5 credits. And the coffee club, what you do is you get every time you get a coffee drink, you can collect the little stamps that look like this. Once you get them all collected, you get a free cup. So we're scrolling down. There's some offers. You can call right here. You can call truck care if you need a truck care. The fueling section is where we're going to go now. Alright, it's going to tell you start mobile fueling right here. You can click that. What I do is I use this app a lot to do my mobile fueling, and you enter in the trip, trailer, the truck number. You choose what you want to fill up, and it's super simple. Best thing. I use it all the time. It also tells you the fuel prices and pump status. You can hit the find and the locations down here, and what that's going to do is pop up the map. You can find the location you're at, or you can find other locations. Alright, we clicked on rewards. This is the rewards section. Up at the top would have been my barcode, so I could scan it at the cash register if I wanted to use points, or just scan my card. Maybe I get bonuses. Right here we can explore offers of stuff that we will qualify for by having the Pilot app. We're going to click on it now. It opens up this menu of all the free stuff that some free stuff, some discounted, monthly deals, whatever they have. It has a lot of stuff. You'll hit save on the one that you want, and it'll be under save. Next time you use your card, it'll be there. We'll go back to the other screen. If you have a promo code, I've only done that, had a promo code once. You'll add it there. You'll get maybe points or different stuff like that. Here's shower power. This is the shower power screen. Right now I'm active. That means that I filled up this bar right here all the way last month with 1,000 gallons at Pilots. So I have unlimited showers. Also, you can look over here. This is shower credits. This is how we take showers in the truck stops. Is we'll put in the 50 gallons of fuel, and you'll get 1 credit every time. So I must have put in 50 gallons one time and 25 a different time to get the 0.5 on there. There's another place down here to reserve a shower. There's the coffee cup. I got all my stickers. I'm on my free one. And there's another ad. Under profile, you can go to profile down here, and you can make your own profile. Like, it's all the settings and stuff like that for you to change stuff. This is the Pilot app. It's one of the places I feel the most Pilot and Flying J's.